Excellent service is going above and beyond and giving that customer what fits them. I always feel good. I'm always excited to go to work. I'm excited to see where the adventure is going to take me for the day. When I get customers that come in that are having problems with their skin, I can give them information and help them come up with a routine and make them feel good about themselves. There's nothing more rewarding than that. At Kiehl's, we're known for that connection. We're known to be a family. When people come in, they know that they're walking into that tradition and it's a safe place. My favorite product has to be Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's magic in a bottle. It's hydrating, smells great. You can use it all over. I never leave home without it. I actually went to school to be a teacher, and then Kiehl's and I somehow crossed paths. It's really the perfect place for me because I'm able to run a business and have a career and keep my personal values intact. The joke is I bleed Kiehl's. I love my job. I couldn't ask for a better job.